In this step, I have turned the engine clockwise and aligned the timing mark on crankshaft and on both camshafts. Aligning timing marks is setting up the number 1 cylinder to top dead center. This allows to adjust valve clearance on number 1 cylinder inlet valve clearance and also the exhaust valve clearance. When the right side cam timing mark on the top, as showing now on 12 o'clock position, you can adjust the valve clearance on cylinder, number 1 intake rockers and cylinder number 1 exhaust rockers. Every 90 degrees you are turning the camshaft, you can adjust each cylinder rockers. Once you finish adjusting the number 1 cylinder valve clearance, then turn the engine clockwise to 90 degree, then the right cylinder head cam mark stays on 3 o'clock. Then adjust the clearance on number 3 cylinder intake and exhaust valve rockers. Turn the engine clockwise for another 90 degrees, right side cam gear mark to 6 o'clock position. Then you can adjust the valve clearance on number 2 cylinder on left side, cylinder head inatake and exhaust rocker arms, showing now final 90 degree to 9 o'clock position, and adjust the valve clearance on cylinder number 4 intake and exhaust valve. Inlet valve clearance 0.20 millimeter. Exhaust valve clearance 0.25 millimeter on cold engine. From now on, follow the procedure and adjust the valve clearance. You need to unscrew the 10 millimeter lock nut and adjust the clearance while checking with your selected feeler gouge. Slide forward and backward with a slight resistance. Then, tighten the lock nut for 5 to 8 Newton meter.